Ever struggled with overpacking for a summer trip? We've all been there, standing at the airport with an overstuffed suitcase, wondering how we're going to manage. Imagine fitting a week's worth of chic summer outfits in a single carry-on bag. It sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Discover the secret to efficient and fashionable packing that will make your next vacation stress-free and stylish, without sacrificing any of your favorite looks. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing an exclusive tip that frequent travelers swear by, but rarely share. It's the secret to packing light without sacrificing style. Tip 9. Plan your outfits ahead of time. First things first, let's talk about a capsule wardrobe. This is a lifesaver for packing light. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of versatile pieces that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. For example, let's start with a white shirt, a pair of denim shorts, and a sundress. These basics are super versatile and can be dressed up or down for different occasions. Imagine you're on a summer trip to a beach destination. The white shirt can be paired with the denim shorts for a casual day exploring the town. Or it can be tucked into the sundress for a cute, casual evening look. The sundress itself can be worn on a day out or dressed up with accessories for a dinner date. These few pieces offer so many possibilities, making them perfect for a week-long trip. Next, choosing the right fabrics is crucial. Summer means heat, so opt for breathable materials like cotton, linen, and lightweight synthetics. These fabrics keep you cool and are less bulky in your luggage. One of my go-to pieces is a linen button-down shirt. It's perfect for layering and works great over a swimsuit or paired with those denim shorts. I remember last summer in Italy, I lived in my linen shirt. Whether I was sightseeing in Rome or relaxing on the Amalfi Coast, it was breathable, stylish, and so easy to mix and match with everything else I packed. Definitely a must-have for any summer trip. Tip 7. Limit shoes to 3 pairs: comfortable white sneakers, versatile tan sandals, and chic black flats. These 3 pairs will cover all your bases, from sightseeing to dinners out. And pro tip, wear your bulkiest pair on the plane to save space in your carry-on. I once packed 6 pairs of shoes for a week-long trip to Paris, and it was a disaster. I ended up wearing only 3 pairs and had no room for the beautiful souvenirs I found. Now I stick to the essentials and have so much more space and less hassle. Tip 6. Use packing cubes and compression bags to keep everything organized and maximize space. Use a medium-sized packing cube for tops, a small cube for underwear, and a compression bag for bulkier items like a light jacket. Look how everything fits neatly, and there's still room to spare. Packing cubes are a game changer, especially if you have a busy itinerary with multiple destinations. It keeps your suitcase tidy and makes it easy to find what you need without unpacking everything. I used them on a trip through Southeast Asia, and they made hopping from one location to another so much easier. Tip 5. Layer smartly for the unpredictable summer weather. Pack a lightweight cardigan, a denim jacket, and a scarf that can double as a beach cover-up. These pieces are perfect for adding or removing layers depending on the temperature. I can't tell you how many times a light cardigan has saved me from freezing in overly air-conditioned restaurants or chilly evening breezes. And a denim jacket? It's a staple that goes with just about everything. Plus, scarves are so versatile. I've used them as blankets on planes and beach towels in a pinch. Tip 4. Minimize toiletries and accessories. Bring travel-sized versions of your essentials or plan to buy them at your destination. For jewelry, limit yourself to a few versatile pieces that can complement all your outfits. A pair of statement earrings and a simple necklace are all you need. During a trip to Japan, I learned the hard way that less is more when it comes to accessories. I packed way too many and ended up using just a few. Now I stick to my favorite versatile pieces that I know will go with everything. It's less to pack and less to worry about losing. Tip 3. Wear your bulkiest items during travel. For example, if you're bringing a denim jacket and sneakers, wear them on the plane. This not only saves space, but also keeps you warm and cozy at the airport or during a chilly flight. I always wear my denim jacket and sneakers when flying. It's a double win. I stay warm and comfortable on the plane, and I free up space in my carry-on. Plus, I feel more put together and ready to hit the ground running when I arrive. Tip 2. Keep a laundry plan in mind. Check if your accommodation has laundry facilities or pack a small packet of detergent to wash clothes in the sink. This allows you to pack fewer items and reuse them throughout your trip. A portable clothesline is a game changer for drying your clothes overnight. When I traveled through Europe, I packed a small bottle of detergent and a portable clothesline. It was a lifesaver. I could wash and dry my clothes overnight, which meant I could pack less and always have fresh outfits. It's such a simple but effective way to make travel easier. Here's another essential. Bring a portable iron or steamer. Keeping your clothes wrinkle-free can make a huge difference in how put together you look. Imagine arriving at your hotel only to find that all your packed clothes are wrinkled, and worse yet, there's no iron or steamer available at the accommodation. This scenario can be a real nightmare, especially when you have important dinners or special events planned. A small steamer is perfect for quickly freshening up your clothes after they've been packed tightly. It's not only compact and easy to use, but also incredibly efficient. You can quickly run it over your outfits, and within minutes they look fresh and crisp, ready to wear. I never travel without my portable steamer. It fits easily into my carry-on, takes up minimal space, and is always ready to rescue my outfits from the dreaded suitcase wrinkles. Whether it's a casual day out or an elegant evening event, having wrinkle-free clothes helps you look polished and feel confident. Plus, it's perfect for those unexpected moments when you need to look your best. Trust me, this little gadget will become your best travel companion. As promised, here is the exclusive tip that will revolutionize your summer travel. Pack a lightweight, foldable tote bag. This bag can be a lifesaver for so many reasons. Imagine you've done a bit of shopping at a local market and suddenly find yourself with more items than your carry-on can handle. Simply unfold your tote bag and you've got instant extra storage for those treasured souvenirs. Heading to the beach? This tote is perfect for carrying your towel, sunscreen, and a good book without having to lug around a bulky bag. It's also incredibly handy for spontaneous outings. Say you decide to have a picnic in a park or need a bag for groceries. This tote has you covered. And when it comes to your flight back home, it can double as an additional carry-on. Perfect for those last-minute purchases or gifts that didn't quite fit into your main luggage. The best part? It takes up almost no space when folded. You can easily tuck it into a corner of your carry-on or even slip it into a handbag. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly sturdy and can handle quite a bit of weight, making it one of the most versatile items you can bring on your trip. Trust me, once you start using a foldable tote bag, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without one. I have a couple of questions for you. What's your #1 packing tip for summer travel? And what's the one item you can't leave behind when you're packing light? Let me know in the comments below. If you got value from this video, you'll love the next one.